Hey guys, and thanks so much for tuning in. I'm Leslie. So this video is going to be a talk through get ready with me, where I just kind of show you guys a few new products that I have been using. Also, I'm going to show you how I achieved this look right here. It's really pretty, huh? Yeah. So if you're not subscribed to my channel as yet, please do so. Thank you. I would really appreciate it. It's free. I know most of you like free stuff, so if you do, the subscribe button is right down below. It's on your left, and there's a bell right on the side of it. Just kind of click those two, and then you will see more videos. You would see this face more often and more videos from me. So anyway, let's just get started. All right, so for most of you, my room looks a little different, but that's just because I have decided to actually put some attention into my room. My room has been, like, for about a year now, it's just been bland, and now I'm actually going to take the time and just do what I need to do to it in order to make it look like a little bit more like me, if that makes sense. All right, so I'm gonna be trying out a few things that I just put on this moisturizer. This is the Aveeno Radiant Daily Moisturizer with sunscreen, and I just recently got this, maybe like a day or two ago, and I just used it. Today's the first time that I'm using it. But I have to say that I really appreciate Aveeno products. Ever since I got eczema, like, Aveeno could do no wrong for me. So I've been really like branching out into their products. Please ignore the dark circles underneath my eyes. I don't know what's been going on with my life, but yeah. Actually, you know what? These got better. Like, these were worse than they are right now. This is the Ring the Alarm palette, and this one here, this is how it looks. I like the fact that it has the names on them, which is pretty cool. There, if you guys can see it better. For foundation, I'm going to be using the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I'm going to use this concealer. This is the Tarte. Oh my god, I almost got that into my eye. That was really close. This powder actually looks a little good today. It looks a little better. It looks really good today. I don't know what's up with that. Maybe, I don't know. I always use my stuff damp, so it's not bad. Let's try it all over the face, and then let's see what happens, because that's the real test right there. I'm gonna contour now, because it makes sense, right? No, it doesn't. Like, you should contour before you set your face. Yeah, so I've just been really like concentrating on my room for a little bit, and I switched, I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing, but I switched around, and I have to say I really like it. I just need to get like a better lighting for behind me, because how I want to do my videos now, I want you guys to see what's going on behind me. It's like my room. Like, I know some people don't let people see their room because their room is always like a mess, but my room is not like that, so I can show you guys my room. It's no big deal. Man, I just feel like my room will be more, my space will be more relatable to you guys, because I don't know, I just feel like if I have something new in it, you guys will get a chance to kind of share in it as well. Do you guys remember this brush from MAC? This is the 227. I've had this for years. Like, this is one of the first brushes I've ever bought from MAC because of what's her face? Oh, what's her name? Oh god, I forget her name. Fanatic Aubrey. She was my jam, yo. She was my shit. To bronze, I'm gonna use the 135 from MAC. It's best to use a bronzing brush when you bronze. So I've been told. Just passing that information on to you guys. But a bronzing brush does work better. burgundy bronze. Makes sense. Alright, I got this, the Hyper Real Glow, and I got this from, I don't know if you guys have watched my last video with me and my cousin. She had this palette where the 3 glows in it. I really like this, so I decided to pick it up. I did try it in the video, but I wanted to have my own. And the color that I'm using today is Light of the Party. There's no names on these. There's no name on the palette, which is annoying to me because it comes with like this little packet thing here, which most likely I'm gonna throw away. I'm going to try this color here. This one is called Rush. Is it? I'm pointing at the wrong one, am I? This one here. And I'm gonna put that into my crease area. Let's see how you look. Ooh. So that just happened. I'm gonna use a different brush because this brush is feeling like I had these brush for so long. I'm going to go in with Mugshot. I'm gonna try to use as much of these as possible. I don't know, I feel like I should go with Alert first and then Mugshot. No, Mugshot first. I'm gonna do Mugshot first. And this is just to darken up that transition color a little. I'm gonna take Alert right here, and I'm gonna just play with that, see what happens. Ooh, chill. That is bright, honey. You know what? Let us. It doesn't have a lot of follow, like the eyeshadows doesn't have a lot of follow, which is kind of amazing. But I'm gonna set this area right here. And that's gonna defeat the purpose of the highlight, but who cares? My camera's doing some kind of weird shit. I'm gonna take Framed here and I'm gonna put this on my lid. Frame is this one right here. I'm gonna take Secret, which is in this palette as well. And it's just like a darker brown color. Let me show you guys. I'm just gonna like tapping into things, and because I'm playing around with as much color as I can. Like I've already used how many colors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. And the mattes in this palette, it's hard to, that's why I'm using most of the mattes, because it's hard to like get it the way you want. Mattes the way you want. There's a little bit of follow with the brown. A little bit of follow with the brown, so keep that in mind. But other than that, you guys, I am impressed. 15 bucks. Shit. I'm gonna use Serene. And Serene just has like a little bit of, what am I pointing at? Serene just has like a little bit of shimmer to it. But I'm trying to think, like, I'm talking a little bit too much. Fuck it. I'm gonna throw in some lashes really quickly. I think I'm gonna do the Adele 415s. I'm not sure. I'm missing a lash, you guys. All right, I'm gonna do that, and then we can finish play with the face. All right, you guys. So far I have on my lashes. These lashes I have on the Wispies from Ardell, but I also, I don't know why I have this in my hand, but I also applied the Hipsters, the Sephora Hipsters, and I just kind of did like a double up because I've been into this false eyelash look, like I have on extensions, but then I don't like to apply extensions anymore because I don't get to do my makeup the way I like when I apply eyelash extensions. So I've been trying my best to put lashes together that kind of looks like there individually, and then they look a lot more like bulky, but they're drying right now, but they look a little bit like I have on some extensions. Yo, I like it. Tell me what you think in the comments down below. Tell me if you would try it. I also almost poked my eyes out with my mascara, so that was happening. But all I did was did whatever I did on the upper lid. I did it to the bottom lash line, and then I applied mascara, and that was it. I'm also going to take a little bit of this color here, which is Boom. I wanted to try as much of these colors as possible, so I'm going to take Boom with this pencil brush here. This is the 219 from MAC, and I'm going to apply this in my inner tear duct. It's going to just brighten up my eyes a little. And I'm not leaving this here. I'm just waiting for this to dry because I can scrape it off. But yeah, green juice. Red juice. For my lip, I'm gonna take the number 13 pencil from YSL. This is one of my favorite pencils ever. I just cannot afford to keep purchasing it, so I use a little bit of it as possible. Okay, who is writing me? I am going to take Cool Brown here and apply this on top. So I don't know if you guys noticed, I just took that lip liner, number 13 pencil, and lined my entire lip. Alright you guys, so this is it. This is the final look. Okay, so first of all, I just want to say that I loved the way these eyeshadow blended. They blended like a dream. I love how pigmented they are. I like how they didn't have as much fallout. Like, they didn't have practically any fallout at all. JACLYN did her thing with this palette, I have to say. I know that a lot of people will be doing reviews on this palette. I just knew that it was going to be really good, so I just wanted to just do a look with it. It was never me wanting to do a review. It just kind of turned into that. But this palette, these palettes are amazing. I have to try all the other ones on my channel here, so I'm going to do more look with the JACLYN Hill palettes. I have to say that they're really good, and Jackie did her thing, so I'm really impressed. Ms. Hill knocked it out the park. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. It just kind of lets you guys know when I post my videos, which is going to be every Sunday from now on, but it kind of lets you know what time, because I haven't set like a time as yet for you guys. Also, tell me what you think of the look in the comment section down below. I love to hear it from you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye my loves. Have a great day.